question asks us to predict the product when this alkene is treated with MCPBA, making sure to account for any stereoisomers that are formed. An alkene will react with MCPBA to form an epoxide. The pi bond will break and will form an epoxide in its place. When drawing the stereochemistry of these products, I like to show in the hydrogens, especially with these trans alkenes, as showing the wedge and dashes can sometimes be a little bit confusing. So if we show in the hydrogens, then that makes things more clear, and we can be more clear in the products that we're drawing. When we do this, we will form an epoxide on one side of this molecule. It doesn't really matter which one we choose. I'll choose to leave the southern hemisphere of this molecule the constant, and I'll show the epoxide in the northern hemisphere. When I do that, the southern hemisphere of the molecule will stay in the plane, and the epoxide will form in the northern hemisphere of the molecule. Let's say the epoxide forms on the top face. I guess that would be the bottom face. If we form it from this side, the epoxide would be forming on the bottom face. So that would put the oxygen on a wedge, or excuse me, on a dash, and the hydrogen and the other phenyl group on wedges. This will be one possibility. If, however, the epoxide forms on the other side, then we get the enantiomer of the product with the oxygen on a wedge and the other groups on the dash. This mixture of enantiomers is the product when this alkene reacts with MCPBA.